Hey guys, Happy New Year, and I think this stuff needs a part 4, so I'm going to be popping more of that bubble wrap stuff. Why not? Very, very satisfying. Yeah. Just saying, I think I have a smaller thing of a small thing of bubble wrap in my room. So there's more of this when this one's out, but not much. Yeah. Switch hands because my hand holding the iPad got tired. You know, I think this might actually end up being the longest video so far. Wait, my other 2-minute video happened to be the last video with me popping bubble wrap.